Hello viewers, and welcome to class for today. Today we'll be looking at percentages, finding percentages, and also we'll be looking at English. Basically, it's grade 6 math and English. So, thank you. Let me admit my student into the class. You can subscribe to this channel. Hold on. Okay, she's joining right now. Yeah, hello, can you hear me?
Yeah,
All right. I am this, so you're welcome to class for today. Let's see. Okay, hold on a bit. I'm checking. Okay, I've seen the work you submitted, so we're just gonna check everything through. Okay, is that clear?
okay.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So let's see. For the number one, we're finding 70% of 30. So question, okay, I call it question seven. 70 over 100 times 30. So two zeros cancel two zeros. Then we have 7 times 3, that's 21. And I think we got that as 21, okay? Right?
yeah,
Okay, for the second one, number 8, we have 30% of 90. So that's 30 over 100 times 90. So two zeros again, cancel two zeros, that's 27. 3 times 9 is 27. So you got 27 there. Then number 9, we have 5% of 600. So two zeros cancel two zeros. 5 times 6 is 30. Did you write 30? Okay, yeah, you can see it.
yeah.
Okay, excuse me. Then number 10, you have 6% of 500. That's also 30. So next number, we divide this page. Number 11, we have 80% of 10. 80 over 100 times 10. So two zeros cancel two zeros. So we get 8. Then the next one, we have 4% of 2000. So two zeros cancel two zeros. We have 4 times 20, which is 80. So there you go, 80. That's correct. And the next one, the second part of this, number 7. Let me move it to the next page now. So another number 7 here, we have 95% of 500. Two zeros cancel two zeros. Then we have 95 times 5. That is 95. That's 475. So we go 475. Then number 8, you have 65% of 60. One zero cancel one zero. Then 5 can divide these, 13 and 2. Then 2 can divide here 3. 13 times 3 is 39. So we got 39. Then the next one, number 9, 15% of 300. Two zeros cancel two zeros. 15 times 3 is 45. So we got 45 here. Then the next one, number 10. Let me try to divide this page. So for number 10, we have 85% of 1,000 times 1,000. So two zeros cancel two zeros. Then we get 85 times 10, which is 850. Okay. Then let me check your page there. 850, that's correct. Then number 11, we have 45% of 80. 45 of 100 times 80. So, oh, that's it, times 80. 1 0 cancel 1 0. Then 5 can divide here. 9 here 2. Then 2 can divide here. 1 here 4. So 9 times 4 is 36. And the next one, number 12, we have 75% of 60. 1 0 cancel 1 0. Then we have 5 goes here 2, and 5 goes in. 75 is 15. So 2 here 1, 2 here 3. 15 times 3 is 45. So let's check it out. You go, wait, what's the question? 75% of 60, right? I think you solved a wrong question here, okay?
Mm,
Understand?
yeah.
That was the first one that you solved again instead of solving the second one, okay?
was okay.
Yeah. So let's go to the next page, which is this one, this general percentages that could go on and on and on. So we have this to be number one, 12% of 50. You can say 50 divided 100, so 50 here 1, 50 here 2. 12 over 2 is 6. So your answer, did you get 6? Where is it? Let me check it out. Yeah, answer is 6. And the next one, number 2, we have 34 over 100 times 200. So 2 zeros cancel 2 zeros. 34 times 2 is 68. So you gotta get 68. That one. Let me see. Yeah, that's right. Okay, hold on a bit. So the next number, number 3, let me divide this page a bit. So for number 3, we have 61% of 100. 2 zeros cancel 2 zeros. Then your answer is 61. So let me check your answer out. 61, that's correct. Then number 4, we have 24% of 10 times 10. 1 0 cancel 1 0. So 24 divided by 10 is what? That's 2.4, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, 2.4, that's correct. Then number 5. So we have 43% of 200. 2 zeros cancel 2 zeros. So 43 times 2 is what?
86.
86. Then the next one, number 6. We have 84% of 200. So we have two zeros, cancel two zeros. Then we have 84 times 2, which is 168. So that's 168, that's correct. Then the next one, number 7, we have 52% of 50. So 50 here 1, 50 here 2, then 52 divided by 2 gives us 26, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, so I think you can get that one here. Yeah, 26. So whenever you see questions on percentages, it becomes easy, right? Number A,
Yeah.
number A, we have 14% of 300. So two zeros cancel two zeros. So 14 times 3 is 42. So, yeah, you wrote 28. Why? Is it 200 or 300? Maybe
200.
number 8.
Yeah, it was 200. Oh,
Hmm?
I put 200.
So that's why you missed that, okay?
Okay.
That means if it's a test, you should. I think it's the 200 above that confused you. So that's why you put that 200 there. So, all right, then number 9. Let me go to the next page for that one so that I'll be able to put this down. So for number 9, we have 38% of 50. So 50 here 1, 50 here 2. Then we have 38 over 2, that is 19, right?
Yeah.
38 over 2, that's 19. Then number 10, question 10 says 95% of 200. So that'll be 95 over 100 times 200. So two zeros cancel two zeros. Then we have 95 times 2, right?
Yeah.
95 times 2, that's 190. So let's see, we got that there. Then number 11, we have 22% of 50. 50 here, 1, 50 here, 2. So 22 over 2, that's 11. Then number 12, we have, uh, okay, let me check your answer for this one first, 11. Wait, what did you solve in number 11? Number 11 should be what? 22% of 50, right?
Yeah.
I think
I
you
put
solved,
45% of 80.
yeah, you solved something else. So let's go to number 12. Number 12, we have 99% of 1000. So that's 99 over 100 times 1000. Two zeros cancel two zeros. So 99 times 10 is 990. You got that right. Then number 13, as we prepare to finish this stage, for number 13, we have 47% of 100. So 100 cancels 100, that's 47. So let's take note of that. That's 47. Then number 14, we have 33% of 10. So 10 cancel 1 0. Then that is 3.3. You should get 3.3. That's correct. And finally, we have number 15, which is 4% of 20. Okay, 1 0 cancel 1 0, right?
Yeah.
Then 2 divides here, you get 2. 2 divides here, you get 5, right? Then 2
Yeah.
times 2, that's 4 over 5, and that's 0.8. So, and that comes to the end of this correction. And it has been good work so far. Okay,
Okay.
it's been a good work so far. All right, we're going to switch to English shortly. Okay, just hold on there.
Okay.
For our English class for today, for the English class, we'll be looking at adverbs. So
Okay.
if you're asked to define an adverb, that's what's an adverb. An adverb is a word that modifies or qualifies a verb. It also qualifies an adjective, and it can also qualify other adverbs. So you can start writing. Adverbs are words that qualify, or let's say modify, not qualify, so that modify because it tells us more about it. Verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. So that means an adverb can modify another adverb. Okay.
Okay.
For example, you say, um, let's write some examples of adverbs there. Where's my pen? By the way. Okay, yeah, fine. So, for example, we talk about gently. Um, we can talk about quite. Then we can talk about then. We can talk about there, and so on. Have you written this down?
Uh, the
I
sentence.
said you can start writing. Okay, is that
Yeah.
clear?
Yeah.
So, adverbs are words that modify verbs, modify adjectives, and modify other adverbs. So, if we look at, there are lots of examples of adverbs, but these are just quite a few, but we can still also look at more, like, let's see, into this one, say, okay. So there are lots of other adverbs, let's say other examples, other examples. Maybe soon, or maybe extremely. So extremely, say, then we can talk about usually, later, yeah, later is an adverb, already, already is an adverb, always, always is an adverb. Let's say quietly, when you do something quietly, quietly is an adverb. Rarely, rarely is an adverb. Badly, closely, closely. You say sometimes, fully. Okay, fully. Then I say tomorrow, slowly. Fairly. Never. So, well, secretly. Say enough, and so on. Okay.
Okay.
So these are adverbs. When you're through with all of this, when you put them down neatly, you let me know.
Pardon?
When you finish writing all this, you let me know. I mean, you should write down everything on the board, okay?
Okay.
And when you finish, let me know. Is that clear?
Okay.
Yeah. So now we can look at types of adverbs. So types of adverbs. Yeah. So the first type I'm gonna mention because adverbs are classified based on their purpose or their function. Let me put it that way. So the first one we'll be talking about is adverb of time. Adverb of time. Talking about the time of an event or something. So, for example, this describes when an action happens, okay?
Okay.
It describes when an action happens. So, e.g., I will arrive soon. So, the adverb there is soon, okay?
Okay.
So, it's talking about the time of arrival. Or maybe you say, we met yesterday. We met yesterday. So, yesterday is the adverb. So, number two, we talk about adverbs of frequency. Adverb of frequency. This is talking about how often an action occurs, okay?
Okay.
So, for example, I always eat breakfast breakfast at 7 a.m. I always eat breakfast at 7 a.m. So, the adverb there is always. And maybe another one to be she really misses class. She really misses class. So the adverb there is rarely. And number three, the third one, talk about adverb of place. Adverbs of place. So adverb of place indicates where an action occurs, okay?
Okay.
Where the action occurs. So e.g., you can say the bird flew high in the sky. The bird flew high in the sky. So the adverb there is I, or you can say I looked everywhere for my keys. I looked everywhere for my keys. So the adverb to underline there is everywhere. I looked everywhere for my keys. So everywhere. Then okay, still okay. Are you through with the writing of all this?
No.
Okay, when you're through, you let me know.
No, I've written them down with you.
Okay, you've written these ones down, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
But
So
number two, I changed it to I've always eat dinner at 7 p.m.
no problem, no problem. Because I might request for your note. That's what I'm saying. Have you written them down? You've written them, right?
Yeah.
Okay, no problem. So let's go to number four. So the number fourth type of adverb, we have adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner. So this describes how an action takes place, how an action is performed. For example, let's say she sings beautifully. She sings beautifully. So beautifully is talking about how she sang. Or you say he spoke clearly. So the verb clearly, the adverb clearly is what we're talking about as adverb of manner. Then number five, we have adverbs of degree. Adverbs of degree, and this expresses the intensity or extent of an action. Okay, the quality of
Okay.
an action. So you can say, example, um, the cake was very delicious. The cake was very delicious. So, so very is the adverb of degree there. Or maybe I am completely satisfied. So completely is the adverb there. I am completely satisfied. Then number six type of adverb, we have adverb of reason. Adverbs of reason. So adverb of reason explain why something happens. For example, say mm, I was I was tired I was tired, so I went to bed early. So I went to bed early. So the adverb there is so. Or we say the store was closed. The store, let me write that clearly so that you can see. The store was closed, hence I couldn't buy what I needed. I couldn't buy what I needed. So the adverb on the line there is hence, okay?
Okay.
So once you finish writing all of this, you send me the pages of your note, okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Wait, is there no seven?
There is another one. I said when you finish writing all of this, send me the pages of your note.
Oh, oh, I have.
Send me the pages, yeah. Okay?
Okay.
So viewers, thank you very much for watching this. We'll continue shortly.
I've written one of the two.
Today we've been able to look at adverbs and say adverbs are words that modify verbs, they modify adjectives and other adverbs. So, e.g., gently, quiet. Can you tell me the difference between these two words? Quiet and quiet.
Quiet means like when there's no sound, kind of like.
That's the first one, right? Like silent or silence, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So, and what about the second one?
Maybe like, maybe not sure if you like it or not. Like, this is quite good. So maybe you're uncertain about something.
Or you're certain about it? I'm quite
Maybe if it's,
sure. I'm quite sure means I'm really sure, right?
yeah, you're really sure.
Yeah. Okay, I just because some students used to confuse that, okay?
Okay.
So we say other examples. We have soon, extremely, usually, later, already, always, quietly, rarely, badly, closely, sometimes, fully, tomorrow, slowly, fairly, never, well, secretly, enough, and so on. So we then looked at the types of adverb. We see adverb of time, talking about the time of an event. I will arrive soon. We met yesterday. Adverb of frequency. How often an event occur. I always eat my breakfast at 7 a.m. She rarely misses class. Then adverb of place. Talking about the place of an event. You say the bird flew high. High in the sky. Then I looked everywhere for my key. So it's a place everywhere. Then we have adverb of manner, how something happened beautifully and clearly, sings beautifully, spoke clearly. Then very delicious, talking about degree, degree of the event. Then we have completely, degree. Then adverb of reason, something happened because something or so something ends something, And the last one that we didn't mention is adverb of affirmation or negation. Example could be you say maybe yes, no, not, definitely, surely, So I would definitely be there. Mhm. Of course, I agree with you, you know, talking about the adverb of affirmation or negation. And that is where I'll be rounding up the class for today. Are you ready? Okay.
Okay.
So we're gonna meet tomorrow, I think by 6 or 7 or so. I'm going to confirm the time, but we're definitely meeting. No, it's I think 4 to 5. Okay,
What's five?
four
Yeah.
to five. Yeah. So I'm going to send you a homework over. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Goodbye for now.
Goodbye.
Bye. See you. So viewers, thank you very much for watching this. My name is Ajibola and I do online classes. Please subscribe to the channel for updates on a future video and you're gonna be glad you did. So thank you. God bless you. See you next time.